Hello, this is Noreen Crone-Findlay from Toddy Talks Crafts and Crone-Findlay.com and this YouTube channel. Oh my, I am the author, happily so, of the Potholder Loom Weaving book, and I am so sorry, but I have found yet another typo. Whoops, trying to show you. Page 59. Okay, come into focus, page 59. There we go, page 59 in Techniques, Color, Pattern, and Texture. And I have put my kitty cat crochet hook pointing to where the typo is, and my teacup crochet hook, these I carved many, many years ago. And they're pointing at an empty block square in line 7 of the diamond twill chart. Try that again. Diamond twill chart for the 18 peg potholder loom. So sorry. And my editor and I both just went, because the number of times that we have gone over, not only has she and I gone over and over and over, but bah humbug, so many other people. We've all gone over and over. Anyhow, accidents happen and the gremlins jump in. So go to page 59 of your book and put a little vertical line in this empty box in line 7. Yeah. So happy weaving, and on to the next.